welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video on the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lip colors, and I found these are at the drugstore. I believe they're like $7.99 each. If you are still on the matte lip trend and you don't want to go high end, these may be for you. They have great staying power, they're super moisturizing, and I really like them, and I'm pretty hard to please when it comes to a liquid lip. Also, the only thing about these is when they're on. So I'll let you know how you can take these off, so you don't have to go to bed with a liquid lip on your lips. The reason why I'm doing a lip swatch video is I thought it was only fitting that my first video on YouTube a year ago was a lip swatch video. And so to celebrate, I thought I'd do another lip swatch video. So, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway at the end, so stay tuned for that. All the instructions for entering the giveaway will be listed down below in the description box. So make sure you follow all the directions. So anyways, let's get on with the lip swatch. I'm going to do from light to dark. I have 5 colors here, and we're going to start out with the lightest color. And what I'll do is, because they're super good at staying on your lips, if I don't take them off right away, I'm going to have a harder time. It's going to take me longer to take it off and then put the next one on. So we're going to start off with 05, and this one is called Loyalist. So for 3 of them, I'm going to use the lip liner Strip Down, and then for the last 2, I'm going to use the lip liner Soar. You guys know I always use a lip liner. So let's get started. Oh, this is too bright. Alright, so the lip liner's on. Let's get this on. And so it's got like this doe foot applicator, and it's got the product. There's like a little well, and the product's inside there. So this is the lightest shade that I have, and I know if you're my skin tone, you might think it's a little light, but I actually love these colors. And if you use a darker lip liner, a little bit darker, it makes it work, because I put the lip color right over it. Alright, so this is the first color in Loyalist. The next color is going to be Poet, and it looks similar to this one, but it's a little bit darker. I just love nude lipsticks. This one has a little bit more pink in it. So again, this is Poet. And I'm going to swatch them for you as well on my arm. So the first one is actually the Loyalist, and this is Poet. And they look pretty similar. So this is more of a creamy tan, and this is more of a a pinky nude. The next one is in the color Driver, and it's number 55. It's more of a brown with a yellow base. So this one is, it reminds me so much of the lipstick that I got from the Desi and Katie collection from the Dose of Colors. And because it's more yellow based, but it's tan, it's really pretty. So I really like this one. This is one of my favorites. And then when swatched on the arm, you can tell that it is more tan. Alright, so now we're going to switch over to the Swore lip liner. And the first color that I'm going to swatch is going to be called Lover, and it's so pretty. This is my favorite of the darker ones. I love it. So pretty. And this one, I don't know what it is about this color, but it has the best staying power. I wore this one day, all day, ate, drank, talking, chewing gum, and it stayed in place and looked amazing. I even hated to take it off at night because it looked so good. Alright, and this one is Lover. Alright, and that is swatched right there on the arm. My lips hurt. Okay, and the last color I have to try on for you is called Ruler, and it's the darkest of them all. So let's get that one on. Alright, and so that is Ruler. Sort of like a deep, like berry, I don't want to say red, but it's more of a deep berry. And there it is right there swatched, so you can tell that it is a very deep color. So okay, now that we're done with the video, we're going to start talking about the giveaway. I'm going to be doing 3 different giveaways. The first giveaway is going to be this Jaclyn Hill palette, and it is her newest palette. It says right here the JH2. So this is the second one that she put out, which the first one didn't have like the name of the colors and things on the back, but this one does. So this is her second palette, and so this is what I'm going to be giving away. And if you want to enter, just go ahead and go down to the description box and follow all the instructions and you'll be entered. You guys, thank you for watching. It's crazy that it's been a whole year that I've been on YouTube, and yeah, so go enter, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.